Hey guys, today I want to talk about the Silkland HDMI cable. So most people just think an HDMI cable is an HDMI cable. Well, that could not be further from the truth. If you want to do things like stream 4K, which is actually exactly what I'm doing here, I'm using a ZV-10 camera, which is streaming 4K 30 FPS directly from my camera into my streaming setup right here. You have to have high quality HDMI cables, and that's where the Silkland comes in. So take a look there. This is ultra high speed. It is 8K at 60 frames per second or 4K at 120 hertz, which is the same thing as 120 frames per second. So you need to make sure that you're getting the proper HDMI cable for your setup. And for me, that means I need a cable that's capable of 4K 30 FPS, which the Silkland totally blows out of the water. This cable has made it so that I can plug one end into an adapter that goes into micro HDMI, and then the other one I have running directly into my camera. And that's why these cables are such high quality. They have a very nice braided outer jacket that doesn't hold its shape. Don't you hate when you get cables and you unwind them and they're still super curvy because they're holding their shape? Well, the Silkland, it doesn't do that. It basically goes straight into a straight wire, and if you want to bend it one way, you can. So overall, these Silkland HDMI cables are very high quality, and if you need real speed, this is a great option. Check them out, guys.